Hey guys, it's Greg of Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, I got a beauty for you today. We got a convertible Chevelle here. She's got LS power. She is one beautiful car, all black looking slick. Now I know a lot of you guys are saying, but wait a minute, the marker lights are telling me that this is a 71. Well, rest assured, the title and the VIN tell me it's a 72, guys. So it's just been changed out. The grille is in beautiful shape. The chrome on the front bumper looks amazing. And then that black paint on the hood, man, all the reflections are looking sweet. Just absolutely gorgeous. Then we're gonna get into that LS power here in a minute. We're gonna put this thing up in the air. We're gonna show you the bottom side. We're gonna get the hood up. We're gonna show you everything you need to see on this beautiful car. As you can see, she is a convertible. It's got that Haartz cloth top, looking sweet. It is a power top, by the way. We'll put that down in a minute. You can also see the interiors all blacked out, looking good. Aftermarket steering wheel, aftermarket gauges. Everything about this baby is sweet. Now this is the boot cover for the convertible top. Once you put it down, covers up the top. You can see that the back seat is looking like brand new upholstery. The front seats are definitely new upholstery. I mean, everything about this car is just off the hook. LS powered too, baby. Cruise this baby in style. You're gonna have a blast. Take this baby out to the beach. It's got four-wheel disc brakes on it. We got great looking chrome on the back bumper also. Now I got 5 keys here to open up. I'm gonna go with the one in the middle. All right, took me about 3 tries to figure out which key. I finally figured it out. Look at there. We got the battery mounted back here, looking sweet. We got a brand new trunk mat in there. Tell you what, it is one beautiful car. See, the wheel wells are nice and clean. She is gorgeous. We got nice paint on the bottom side of the deck lid. As you look down the passenger side, nice and straight. Looking good. That black paint is very unforgiving. When a guy paints a car black, you better be a good body man. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment whatsoever. That means we own this car. So we did our homework, checked it out, and then we're gonna put it up on the lift and inspect it so we can tell you all about the car when you call us at 248-974-9513. On this thing is electric. It's got 2 handles. I've already undone the one on the passenger side. You undo this handle, then the switch right here. Well, I always forget which way, but you push the button down. Now we're ready to go. It's time to take this convertible for a ride. Listen to that LS3, man. Man, it sounds good. Just love the exhaust system. Talking about the exhaust system, we're gonna take this baby back to the shop here in a minute. We're gonna put it up on the lift and we're gonna show you just how pretty the bottom side is. Now at Vanguard, we do that to every car. Every car here goes up on the lift so you can see how pretty the bottom is. Most important part of the car, baby. That's where the suspension is, that's where the frame is, that's where all the mechanical stuff is. You gotta take a look at the bottoms. Now Now we can deliver the Chevelle anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy that is. And if you want a little help with financing, we can help you out with that too. Look at that, going down the road with no hands on the wheel, no problem whatsoever. My buddy is at MRT. Those guys make exhaust systems and hop up Mustangs. Around the corner here, you can see the custom dash in here. Now here's that button I was telling you about. You push it down to get the top to go down, which I call that up. We got the aftermarket AC controls, the Pioneer radio in here, all the aftermarket gauges. It does have a tilt column in it. She is ready to go, guys. I got this semi-truck obstacle course here to make my way through. So we're right outside the Motor City and we're close to the airport. So if you want to come check us out in person, we'd love to have you. We've always got new cars coming in. Make sure you check us out on Facebook and YouTube often. We've always got new inventory coming in. You never know what we might have tomorrow. If you want to send an inspector, no problem whatsoever. If you could just call us and let us know he's coming and what he wants to see. We do have a lot of cars in inventory. We may have to dig the car out. We may have to move a few cars so he can check it out. So we're coming up on our shop right now. We're here at 15100 Keel Street, Plymouth, Michigan. And right now is when we're gonna put this baby in the air, so make sure you stick with us. All right, we're underneath the Chevelle now, and man, she is pretty under here. Look right there, look at that stainless steel tank, man. Beautiful. You see the beautiful black paint on the bottom side too. You see the beautiful black paint on the frame. And then check out this exhaust, man. 3-inch Mandrel Bent, all TIG welded together. Then it's been jet coated, looking sweet. Then we've got the aftermarket suspension back here. UMI performance. We've got the lower control arms fully adjustable. It looks like the upper control arms are adjustable. We got a big sway bar here. We got a big cover on the rear end here. It is a right around the 373 gear. We rolled it over to count it. It is Posi. This extra big cover here is gives it some more support. Makes everything a lot stronger. We got a brand new drive shaft here. Now they've used these real nice band clamps, so they come off really easy. Loosen up that bolt, you can drop the exhaust system real nice and easy if you need to. Looks like we got a brand new brake line and a brand new fuel line going front to back. And then the paint on the floorboards here also looking sweet. You can see the crossover there looking good. This aftermarket cross member here for this 4L80E. Now this is the bad boy. This baby will take up to about 1,000 horse, man. She is gorgeous. Badass transmission right there, guys. Now we got tubular upper and lower control arms. We got disc brakes up front and disc brakes in the back. You can see the drilled and slotted rotors, and then there's a gigantic sway bar up here. Take a look at that. That's all aftermarket stuff too. I see a gigantic aluminum radiator in here with 2 big electric fans keeping it cool. Looks like the gearbox is new also. I mean, the chrome on the front bumper looking sweet. The frame horns are looking nice and straight. Doesn't look like the car's ever been crashed in the front. Them wheel wells are nice and clean, and then we got some monster wheels and tires on this thing. I believe these are 22s, 255/30 22s, and they're looking sharp, man. You can see those Wilwood brakes peeking through. As you work your way down the side here, you always want to look at the rocker molding on any car you're buying. You can see that the painter wasn't afraid to bend over because he did some finish work and painted that rocker molding. You can also see all the finish work and paint on the frame also looking good. Now out back here, looks like we got 2 85/30 22s out back, and again, you can see those Wilwood disc brakes peeking out between those wheels. Guys, we're going to lower this baby down and take a look at that Crate LS3 under the hood. All right, we're under the hood of this baby now, and it is black and beautiful under here, man. We got a brand new Crate LS3 power plant here. I believe it was 525 horsepower. She is a monster. The coil pack's sitting on top looking good. I love those polished valve covers. Looks like we got Doug's headers on there. She is got aftermarket power steering setup on it. Looking sweet. Of course, it's a serpentine belt setup here. We got a cold air setup here also, all blacked out looking good. Then we got the Wilwood brake system. This is the proportioning valve here. Everything, the firewall's all painted up good. You can see that aftermarket front suspension there. Of course, I see brand new shims up there, so definitely been on the alignment rack. Of course, she drove great when we drove her. Those billet hinges also looking sweet. And then the paint job on the bottom side of the hood. Then we got the billet air grills up there also above the firewall. Man, she is just looking so sweet under here, guys. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.